So what is up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be talking about some Nio news that can affect a stock in the short term and can be a potential catalyst. So first I'm going to be talking about Morgan Stanley. So Morgan Stanley is one of the largest investment banks in the world with a market cap of over $125 billion. And an analyst from Morgan Stanley whose name is Tim Hissau raised his price target of Nio from $33 to $80 and it has a buy rating. And this is right after an analyst from Nomura whose name is Martin Hyung gave Nio a $80 price target and a strong buy rating. And actually a lot of firms have given Nio a buy rating with a $80 or $90 price target. And so what basis are they doing this? They're doing this based on that Tesla is trading at a price to sales of 25 to 30, and based on Nio's future revenue projections it might be traded at the price to sales 25, and that would give it a $150 billion market cap. And they're giving this a 25% discount or 30% discount. That's how they come up with the price of $80, $90 and $100. And so with all these price targets, whenever one comes out very bullish like the one from the Morgan Stanley analyst, the stock tends to go up. But what you have to understand is what we're focused on is the company's fundamentals and its revenue growth, and usually over the long term the price follows. So we can't be constantly looking at the short term fluctuations, because personally I do think Nio is overvalued, but I do think it will be able to justify its valuation in the next 12 to 24 months. But I still really do like Nio stock, and I'll continue buying even when there are dips. And with that, what you have to understand is these firms aren't just raising Nio's price for the sake of it, but they are actually investing in Nio very heavily. As Morgan Stanley has over 8.9 million shares of Nio, and when they did disclose this, it was valued at $69 million. And they're continuing to add to their position aggressively, so they are very bullish on the stock. And it makes sense because there's going to be a transition from these petrol cars or ICE vehicles to electric vehicles, and Nio is very well positioned to take advantage of this, as they have battery swap stations which are perfect for China because it is crowded, and they're planning to build one every single day in 2021. They're also planning to expand to European countries. They have their sedan model, the ET7, which they just unveiled. They're improving their autonomous and battery technology, so they are very well positioned. And they're also probably going to release a mass market car in the next 4 or 5 years, and so they can really be the second biggest player in the EV market behind Tesla. And again, with the potential to become the second biggest electric vehicle company in the world, institutions are buying both Tesla and Nio heavily. And over the next 5 to 15 years, the EV market will be huge, and Nio will definitely do very well in it. And I think the stock price will definitely reflect that in the long term. And I think you guys should look into buying Tesla or Nio if you haven't already, because the world is looking to decarbonize, and that is why people will continue to invest in these companies, and that's why it will continue to go up. And again, this price raise is a potential catalyst in the short term for Nio, and this can be a domino effect where more analysts give even higher price targets, and that can lead the stock to $70 or $80. But again, short term fluctuations are almost impossible to predict. So if you guys did find the video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. Also comment down below what videos you like to see, and thank you for watching.